Hey y'all, howdy to all my musical theater superstars and coaches and singers. How y'all doing? I realize I don't have to really exaggerate my accent because I am born and raised and proudly still live in the South, but I do like to put it on sometimes. Welcome back to the Pop Rock Coach, where we are about to sprinkle some country musical magic on your auditions, because we are talking about pop rock audition songs for the musical Waitress. Yes, you heard that right. Country musical. Now, for some people that may surprise you, but if you think about it a little bit more, it will make perfect sense. In this series, we're focusing on pop rock song choices to take into auditions for pop rock musicals. And the first step in figuring out what types of songs to choose is to understand what the genre of the musical actually is. And for Waitress, we are classifying it as a country pop. And I've got 10 audition song choices in that country pop crossover genre that'll turn your audition into a show-stopping hoedown. Now, Waitress, born from the 2007 indie film of the same name, made a spectacular transition from the silver screen, where it was kind of a B indie movie, to the Broadway stage in 2015. It captured hearts with its enchanting storyline and soul-stirring music. This Broadway gem, characterized by its poignant narrative and relatable characters, found its voice in the talents of singer-songwriter Sara Bareilles, who not only composed the music and lyrics, but infused the show with her signature blend of country pop and pop rock melodies. The musical follows Jenna, a small-town waitress with a passion for baking, as she navigates the complexities of life, love, and self-discovery. And there's a lot of pie. The production success lies not only in its compelling narrative, but also in Bareilles' ability to craft a score that seamlessly blends the rustic charm of country pop with the infectious energy of what we know as pop music or pop rock music. As we explore audition song choices for Waitress, each selection aligns perfectly with the musical's country pop roots, bringing a harmonious fusion of genres that mirrors the magic of the show itself. But before we jump into the list, I want to remind you about our incredible Rock Out Your Rep service. It's like having your own personal rep finder, me, who creates a customized playlist of songs specifically for you. So if you're tired of searching for the perfect audition songs and don't want to wait for this next video or for the next video or the next video, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Now let's scoot on boogie into the song choices. Kicking off our list, we've got the heartstring tugging The House That Built Me by Miranda Lambert. This song is all about the sweet, sweet nostalgia, just like the feels we get in Waitress. It's got a really beautiful storytelling charm and a dash of country pop flavor, making it a primo chef's kiss to showcase your emotional depth as a performer. Next up, for number 2, we have Lucky by Jason Mraz. This song is a ray of sunshine that aligns with Jenna's dreams of a brighter future. So if you want to inject some of that infectious positivity into your audition and let the playful vibes mirror the lighter, funnier moments in Waitress. It's like a vocal cup of coffee with your pie to wake up the room. Oh, and fun fact, Jason Mraz actually played Dr. Pomander in the musical for about a 6-month run back in 2017. Moving into the powerhouse ballad, How Do I Live by LeAnn Rimes. Just like Jenna navigating the complexities of love, this song invites you to channel that emotional roller coaster. With soaring vocals and heart-wrenching lyrics, it's the perfect canvas to paint the passion and vulnerability of a waitress character in love. Now we're going to take it down a notch with the soulful Let It Be Me by Ray LaMontagne. This song is like a cozy blanket for your soul. It is perfect for capturing the introspection that runs deep in Waitress. It's all about the raw emotion and the beauty of simplicity. It gives you a chance to create an intimate connection in the audition room, which I think is pretty central to the story and also part of its charm. Now, if you're ready to bring on some sassy flair into your Waitress audition, look no further than Shut Up and Kiss Me by Mary Chapin Carpenter. This tune's got that spicy country pop zest that'll add a sprinkle of fun and flirtation to your audition. Get ready to cut loose and show off your personality and swagger on stage. Up next, we have Feels Like Home by Bonnie Raitt. If you want to capture the essence of belonging that weaves through Waitress, sing this song. As Jenna and the crew find comfort in unexpected places, this soulful song with its bluesy undertones is your vehicle to evoke emotions and create an intimate connection mirroring the musical's heartbeat. Now it's time to embrace your individuality with Follow Your Arrow by Casey Musgraves. Jenna breaks free from societal expectations in Waitress, and so can you in your audition. This anthem invites you to be true to yourself, adding a modern twist and showcasing your authenticity, just like the characters breaking free in the musical. We're going to slow it down again with a soulful and tender True Companion by Mark Cohn. Now, this is going to surprise some of you because some of you are not going to know this song at all. It's a throwback to the early 90s, but this song is like a heartfelt love letter, capturing that longing for companionship that resonates with the journey in Waitress. With its timeless sound and emotional depth, it's your ticket to showcasing vulnerability, forging a powerful connection with your audience. I sang at one of my friends' weddings many years ago. It's a beautiful song. Now adding a touch of soul-infused sensuality with Arms of a Woman by Amos Lee. This song's smooth vibe mirrors the sensuality found in the musical. You want to channel the characters' intimate moments, letting the captivating vocals and introspective lyrics showcase your range and ability to convey depth. And then closing this list out with a timeless classic, Crazy Love by Van Morrison. If you picture the romantic and nostalgic feel intertwining with the love and longing in Waitress, this song allows you to transport your audience to the heart of the musical and also showcasing your ability to deliver a heartfelt and captivating performance. So there you have it, 10 country, pop, rock audition song choices that dance hand in hand with the desires and essence of Waitress. Choose a song that not only resonates with you, but also takes your audience, or in this case, the auditors, on a journey through the emotional landscape of this extraordinary musical. Now remember, this is just the start. These 10 are just the start. You can listen to each of these songs, plus so many other choices, in my Spotify playlist, Audition Songs for Waitress. It's the one with the pie. And thank you so much to everyone who subscribed and enjoys these videos. I really appreciate you, and I'm excited to be on this journey and sharing song choices and so much more with you. If you're constantly on the hunt for new material and don't want to wait for each video, then check out our Rock Out Your Rep service. I really believe it can be a secret weapon in your audition process and save you hours of hunting. For more information, just check out the details below in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Pop Rock Coach for more musical adventures. Until next time, may your vocals be powerful, your stage presence be legendary, go be awesome, and rock on.